northeast of Dunlap and moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms.
Oh crap.
80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Tonica and Oglesby around 9:25 p.m. Ottawa and Naplate around 9:30 p.m. Grand Ridge around 9:35 p.m. Los Angeles around 9:40 p.m. Streeter and Seneca around 9:45 p.m. Minooka and Morris around 9:50 p.m. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.